Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will explore the Surface Laptop Go and discuss why it is often deemed unrepairable. First, let's gather the necessary tools for our examination. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Begin by turning off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws located at the base of the laptop using the Torx T5 screwdriver. There are typically 6 screws to remove, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the base. Be cautious as the clips can be quite tight. As you work your way around the edges, take your time to avoid damaging the casing. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice before proceeding further. After successfully opening the device, you will see the internal components. It's essential to check for any visible damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any dust accumulation, use a can of compressed air to clean the internals gently. This can help improve performance and prevent overheating. Now, let's take a closer look at the battery. The Surface Laptop Go has a non-removable battery, which is one of the reasons it is often considered unrepairable. If you suspect battery issues, it's advisable to consult a professional. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device checked without any hassle. Next, examine the motherboard for any signs of damage. Look for swollen capacitors or burnt traces. If you find any, it may indicate a more severe issue that requires professional intervention. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs involved up front. If you're comfortable proceeding, you can disconnect the battery by carefully removing the connector. Use the spudger to lift it gently, ensuring you don't apply too much force. Once disconnected, you can further inspect the motherboard and other components. If you encounter any issues with the keyboard or trackpad, these components are also soldered onto the motherboard, making them difficult to replace. This is another factor contributing to the Surface Laptop Go's reputation for being unrepairable. After your inspection, if everything appears in order, you can reassemble the device by reversing the steps taken to open it. Remember to replace all screws securely and ensure the casing is clipped back into place properly. In conclusion, while the Surface Laptop Go presents challenges in terms of repairability, understanding its components can help you make informed decisions. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help with no calls, no travel, and a seamless service to get your device back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.